Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the new term from the set theory, universal set. Now see that the biggest set which will accommodate all the given sets under the consideration, which in general is called as a universal set. In short, a set which can accommodate all the given set is called as a universal set. So the set which is going to accommodate or which is going to be a part of that bigger set will be the subset. So the set which are going to accommodate are the subset of the universal set. Now to understand this concept in some better manner, we are going to see one example. See that a cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Now here, all the students from the particular school who play cricket is nothing but the universal set. From that universal set means from all the students who can play cricket, a team of 15 players is to be selected. So the team of 15 players is nothing but a subset of that universal set, because only those students will be selected who can play the cricket. So the students who can play the cricket will be the universal set, and from that universal set, only 15 players will be selected. And generally, the universal set is denoted or it is represented by capital U alpha. Here, the example is explained with the help of a Venn diagram also. Now, we can see that the capital U is used here to represent the universal set. Here obviously the universal set is nothing but the set of all the students in the school who can play the cricket, and from those students who can play the cricket, only the team of 15 cricket players will be selected. So in this case, the team of 15 cricket players is called as a subset of all the students in a school who can play the cricket. So this team of 15 cricket players is a part of this universal set. Hence, it is called as a subset of the universal set. So this was about the universal set. Now, same kind of examples are present in the practice set of 9th standard maths 1 syllabus of the first lesson set. I hope you have understood this video very well. Thank you.